Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the mesmerizing world of 3D printing. And boy, do we have a treat for you. From budget-friendly bedazzlers to performance-packed powerhouses, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're printing tiny gnomes or life-size Iron Man suits, we've got you covered. And remember, the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so stick around until the end so you don't miss the full picture, or shall we say, the full print? For more information on these products, please use the links in the description box down below. These links are updated daily for the best prices, thanks to deals, discounts, and product availability. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Let us know in the comments which 3D printer tickles your print bed the most. Creality Ender 3 most affordable. The next product on my list is the Creality Ender 3, which takes the crown for being the most affordable 3D printer in our lineup. Now, I know what you're thinking, most affordable. So it's the ramen noodles of 3D printers. Well, yes and no. Pros: budget friendly. The Creality Ender 3 is so affordable, even your pet hamster could buy it with its weekly allowance. Easy to assemble. Some say it's easier to put together than a preschool puzzle. You'll be up and printing faster than you can say extruder. Quality prints. Despite its price, this printer doesn't skimp on quality. It delivers prints that could make even a statue blush. Compact design. It's so compact, you could fit it in your tiny apartment, along with your existential dread, and still have room for activities. Cons. Limited build volume. The build volume is what you'd expect from a budget printer. No life-size Iron Man suits. Sorry folks, manual calibration. You'll have to manually calibrate this bad boy, which can feel like trying to level a seesaw with sumo wrestlers at each end. Noise. This printer isn't the strong silent type, it's just strong. You'll want to put it somewhere the noise won't disrupt your inner zen. So there you have it. The Creality Ender 3 may be the budget option, but it's not cutting corners where it counts. It's the perfect starter printer or a solid addition if you're building a 3D print farm on a budget. If you found this review helpful so far, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesomeness. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA Best for resin printing. The next product on my list is the ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA, a name so long you'll finish printing something before saying it. I've tagged this one as the best for resin printing because it doesn't just print, it performs alchemy. Pros: resin printing royalty. If resin printing was a high school, the Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA would be the prom queen. Quality: expect prints so detailed they could be mistaken for miniature Renaissance sculptures. User-friendly. The interface is more intuitive than a dog knowing its walk time. So yes, even if you're new to the resin game, you won't need a wizard's hat to operate this. Speed. It's not the fastest kid on the block, but it's like the tortoises in the race. Slow and steady, but with exceptional results. Robust build. This printer is built like a tank, but operates like a luxury car. A good balance of bulk and grace. Cons. Price tag. Like a trip to Disneyland, the experience is magical, but get ready to empty those pockets. Learning curve, though user-friendly, there are some intricacies. Like learning to make grandma's secret sauce, you'll need some time, as in smell. Let's just say, you'll know it's working from the other room. Bulkiness. It has the footprint of Bigfoot, so you might have to sacrifice some desk real estate for this one. In summary, if you're into resin printing and are willing to overlook a couple of minor setbacks, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA is like the Swiss Army knife in a world of plastic sporks. AnkerMake M5 fastest printing speed. Last but certainly not least, the AnkerMake M5 makes its grand entrance on my list. This speed demon wears the title of fastest printing speed like US AIM. Bolt wears gold medals. But does it have the stamina to back up its claims? Let's delve into the nitty-gritty. Pros. Speed racer. This machine prints faster than a politician backtracks on campaign promises. Expect your project to be done while you're still sipping your first cup of coffee. Quality control. Don't let its speed fool you. The AnkerMake M5 doesn't compromise on quality. It's like a master chef who can whip up gourmet meals in a fast food time frame. Easy to use. Its interface is so user-friendly, even your grandma could navigate it. And we all know she still types with one finger. Quiet operator. The M5 runs as silently as a cat stalking a mouse, allowing you to print overnight without waking up the whole household. Sturdy build. This printer is like a well-built athlete, muscular and balanced, without an ounce of flimsy plastic to its name. Cons. Price tag. The M5 may empty your pockets faster than it prints. Prepare to consider taking out a second mortgage. Setup time. Its initial setup is a bit like a bad first date. Awkward and time-consuming. Aerial limitations. While it's quick on the draw, it's not very adventurous in the materials it can use. Think of it as a picky eater at a buffet. Software snags. Occasionally, the software gets a little moody like a teenager who just got grounded. So there you have it. The AnkerMake M5 might sprint through your projects, but make sure to lace up your financial running shoes before hitting the buy now button. Overall, if you're in need of speed without a nosedive in quality, this printer is your golden ticket. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through the marvelous world of 3D printing, where dreams turn into tangible objects. Was it the Creality Ender 3 Max Neo's gigantic build volume that wowed you? Or did the AnkerMake M5 sprint into your heart with its need for speed printing? Maybe you're just here for the resin, and ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra MSLA has got your name written all over it. In resin, of course. Whatever tickles your fancy, we want to know. So go ahead, type out your 3D printed thoughts in the comments below and tell us which of these magical machines is your fave. I'll be scrolling through the comments like a kid in a 3D printed candy store. Now, if you found this video more exciting than accidentally finding a hidden compartment in your 3D printed desk organizer, smash that like button and don't just stop there. Hit subscribe like it's a 3D printed pinata full of awesomeness. And let's not forget the all-important notification bell. Go ahead and ring that bell like it's announcing the arrival of your next 3D masterpiece. All right, 3D printsmiths. Until next time, may your prints be flawless and your filament never tangle.